Hey GruntMonkey fans and Therapy on Wheels fans, welcome to the workshop. I thought we'd sneak in today and have a quick look because today is Feel It on the First, which means feel your boobies. Now guys, that doesn't mean that you have to miss out as well, because it is estimated that over the next year 148 blokes will get breast cancer as well. So you make sure that you check them out as well. So enough of looking at me, and let's have a look at what they've been doing on the car. As you can see, it looks like they've put the engine in. How cool is that? And that is one hell of an engine, okay? Sorry about the pun. So this is a 6.2 litre Hellcat supercharged engine, 707 horsepower. Have a quick sticky beak inside. Very typical workshop, everything everywhere. I'll try not to trip over as I'm showing everyone around. Okay. Now they've had to cut a fair bit of that out just to fit in the transmission. But we are hoping that we're going to be able to put a lot of the original pieces back in. Now, those of you dedicated drag racers are going to go, my God, that's a very big fuel tank. But one of the reasons why we're doing that is because we want to do a little bit of exhibition circuits. So back to this lovely engine again. The front wheels we're keeping exactly the same. And the back, we've got ones that are kind of matching. There we go. So, current progress on the car. So, that's how it is. And hopefully I'll catch you in a couple more weeks and we'll do another live feed and show you a little bit more progress. In the meantime, stay tuned on the website for updated photos. Catch you for now.